Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to send disappearing videos and photos on Instagram chat, or few ones photos and video on Instagram chat. So let's do. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram app. So I'm going to simply click on here. So just like so, after you open up your Instagram app, next thing you need to do is to simply head over to your chat box. So I'm going to simply click on here, view my chat box. Now on getting to your chat box, select a contact. Now let's say for instance, I want to send few ones or disappear video or image to this particular contact. What I need to do is to simply tap on the camera icon right here. Then we can simply snap the picture. Now, having snapped the picture, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. So next thing you can do is to simply click on send. So with that, you have sent a disappearing videos or photos on Instagram. The same way you do with pictures, the same way you are going to do with the videos. It's as simple as that. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.